First on 5, we are continuing to follow the case of a Spring Hill woman whose baby was found buried in her own backyard. As you first saw on News 5 yesterday at 5, 30-year-old Ashley Wilkins has been arrested and charged with abuse of a corpse. The baby's body was discovered last week at the home on Landfair Drive, in the Landfair subdivision. News 5's Ashley Knight spoke with a local attorney about what happens next and what questions still need to be answered.
Ashley Wilkins turned herself in last night around 9 o'clock. She didn't have anything to say to our camera as she was led to a car by a local bondsman.
Any explanation or anything?
As she sits in the car, you can see her visibly shaken. Abuse of a corpse is the minimal offense that she could be charged with because it's not known why she buried the infant. Local attorney Andy Citron says the district attorney's main objective now is to find out exactly how this baby died.
Why did she bury it? Was the baby stillborn? Was he born or she born dead? Was the baby killed? Was it accidentally drowned? Was it poisoned? Was it skull cracked?
If the prosecution can prove the baby was stillborn, the abuse of a corpse charge will stand, which can mean 1 to 10 years in jail. Or they might prove the baby died by accident and she could be charged with negligent homicide, or they can try to prove there was malicious intent.
If the facts reveal that the child was murdered or the child was drowned or something, there's obviously going to be questions that have to be answered, and the charges may escalate after that.
Something the prosecution can use, the fact that Ashley and her two brothers, Roger and Bentley, have all been arrested in the past for domestic violence. Ashley has only been charged once, last May, but Roger has been charged 4 times over the past 2 years.
Hopefully something like that didn't happen to the baby, but
an autopsy report shouldn't take that long to conduct, but Citron says the toxicology report, which could prove whether the baby was drowned or drugged, could take longer. Ashley Wilkins is due in court October 29th. Live in the studio, Ashley Knight, News 5.
Thank you, Ashley. There is a program in Mobile for mothers who feel they can't care for their newborn babies. They can contact a local organization called Secret Safe Place for Newborns. A newborn 72 hours old or younger can be taken to any hospital, fire, or police department, no questions asked. When the program first started back in 1998, they expected to see only teenage moms.
We've had calls from mothers of all age groups that are just in situations where they don't feel like they can provide the best care and love for that baby.
And we have the contact number for this organization on our website, WKRG.com.